this award on Life in Universe Award. Nektarios Tavernarakis. Well, he deals with aging. That's why now it is Life in Universe Award.
Well, thank you very much, Florian. I'm really honored and humbled to be here among such distinguished guests and attendees of the meeting. I think this is so undeserving. I didn't do anything to deserve it, but thank you anyway. Yeah. I'm pretty sure about that. Yes.
You want me to cancel?
No problem. No problem at all.
It's okay. I'm joking. So no, you deserve it. I mean, you know, if you ask a politician, I don't know what I did to deserve this, they never say this. They say, I deserve. So that's the difference. That's the difference. So that's the award. That is the brand new award with her name in it. Congratulations.